Tired of clutter and chaos around the house? Imagine turning your messy kitchen, pantry, laundry room, or even your kids' playroom into a neatly labeled, easy-to-navigate space. The P-touch Home Personal Label Maker makes organizing your home not just simple, but actually fun. Whether you're labeling baby supplies, holiday decorations, or your linen closet, this tool helps you bring order to every corner of your home with ease. What makes the P-touch Home PT-D202 stand out is its user-friendly design. With one-touch keys, you gain instant access to 14 fonts, 10 styles, 97 frames, and over 600 symbols. It even includes unique home organization templates for food prep, clothes storage, and more. This means you don't have to be a tech expert or spend time figuring out complicated menus. Just pick your style, customize your label, and print. Plus, the LCD screen lets you preview your label before printing, so you avoid mistakes and waste. I've used this label maker myself, and it's a game changer for keeping things in place. No more guessing what's inside a box or digging through drawers. The labels stick well and look professional. You can print up to 2 lines and save up to 30 labels for quick reprinting. It's perfect for busy households where staying organized feels like a challenge. If you want to see immediate changes in your home's order, this is worth a look. For the best results, the PT-D202 uses Brothers Genuine P-touch Z-tapes, available in 4 widths and a variety of colors and styles. This variety lets you customize labels to match your style or color code your storage system. While replacement tape rolls come at a cost, the durability and quality make it a smart investment for anyone serious about home organization. If that's you, the P-touch Home Personal Label Maker is ready to help transform your space. Ready to make organizing your home easier and more enjoyable? The P-touch Home PT-D202 offers practical features that save time and bring clarity to your daily routine. Try it when you're ready to see how simple labeling can make a real difference.